you're still trying to figure out why you aren't getting any sales, and you're doing everything that you need to do. Well, let me help you out and tell you why you're more than likely not getting sales. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is JADA RENEE here. If you don't know, I make videos about running your body butter business, how to run it, what you need to do to get sales and things like that. And I also make vlogs where I just record things going on in my daily life, such as my entrepreneurship or just day-to-day things that I'm doing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to market and get sales for your business. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe. First, you're probably not showing your products or promoting them properly. You're not posting them like you need to on Instagram or on TikTok or on Pinterest or on Facebook or wherever you're promoting your business at. You're not doing it enough. And by this, I mean you're not sticking to that platform's algorithm so that way you can get showcased onto people's news feeds, explore pages, For You pages, and things like that. Now, this video isn't about how to work these social media platforms for their algorithms and things like that. This video is to show you like why you're not getting the sales. So on Instagram and TikTok now, you can, if you have Shopify, you can connect your Shopify business website to your Instagram or your TikTok, so that way people can shop directly from your post, your story, or even your reel. And you need to do this because if I see something and I like it, I want to get it right then and there, because if I move or whatever, I might change my mind. I might be able to go through second thoughts. So connect your Shopify to your Instagram or your TikTok, or even, I'm not sure about Facebook, but I think Facebook too. Yes, Facebook too. Go ahead and connect them right now. Pause this video and go connect them right now. It's very simple. It just takes a few steps. You have to have a Facebook though. If you don't have a Facebook, then you can't connect your Instagram. But girl, you got time, go do it. Once you have connected your Shopify account to those platforms, this is gonna be a big step. So now this way, when your post hits the Explore page, customers can go in and shop right there. They can click on it, shop, add to cart, buy now, checked out, boom. Now you just made a sale. Another form of promoting is using your email subscribers. Email marketing is a huge deal. And this is because you already have these customers, more than likely, or they visited your website and were interested enough, at least sign up to subscribe for your email marketing. This is a good thing, and you want to take advantage of that. So you need to take advantage of using email marketing. Send out emails. Now, don't spam people. The best example I can give you of email marketing and text message marketing, as we all know, the great fashion note. Every time something happens, they're recreating it into a meme, into a good saying to get people to buy their products. And honestly, I'm not mad at them. This is how they're making their money. They're working, they're hustling, they're doing their job to get sales every day through email and SMS marketing. If you have Shopify, there are many apps that you can download for email and SMS marketing. Email marketing, you don't really have to download an app because Shopify does have it available within their program. But SMS, I know I use, I think it's called like Text SMS Bump or something like that. I use that one. I know MailChimp is one, but I'm not sure if they do text messaging and things like that. I'll leave some on the screen for you to pick from. And then also go out and explore on your own. You know, some of them have 30-day free trials. Some of them are free. Some of them have different types of subscriptions based off your needs of what you want to do and how big you want your SMS or email marketing to go. Use these two platforms for marketing as well, because if you already have them subscribed, that means they're actually interested in your products. Whether you got them to subscribe through, usually most people do subscribe now and get 20% off your first order type deal. That's a great thing. They probably still have that coupon. They just haven't found anything they want to buy. That's okay. You know, that's different. You can't really tailor to everybody's needs on your products because you're one person and you're behind the business by yourself. Like, there's only so much that you can do at a time. So don't feel rushed to do things like that. Just know, since they signed up, they're interested in your business and in your products and are going to buy from you soon. The second thing is, girl, I hate to tell you, but your products are probably priced too high. And I know this sounds kind of iffy to say, but it's actually true. Your products may be priced too high for what you're giving. Giving people cheap plastic containers and you know, old shea butter, or like, girl, like just having the lowest of oils and, you know, things like that. It just gives like, she's charging $20 and this looks like she only had to pay $5 to make it. You don't want that. You don't want that. In the beginning, we all start off low and we all start off slow, and then we go up and build our prices, and this is okay. Patience is a virtue, and things take time to build up. The third reason is you haven't found your target audience. Yes, I know this is getting oversaid, but it's true. And let me tell you why it's true. Because if you're using platforms that aren't made to get you sales or aren't made for people to shop on, you know, you're gonna have a tough time. But there are many platforms that you probably are using, but you're still not getting sales, and it's because you're not taking advantage of how to find your target audience. Hashtags. Use hashtags. But the thing is, with hashtags, you can't use too many and you can't not use enough. You gotta really niche down to what you're going for. The quickest way for people to find you. Use hashtags that are relevant to your brand. For example, I use hashtag body butter business, hashtag with body butter, hashtag body care products, you know, and those are 3 great hashtags just to put my post on the explore page for people to reach. All they gotta type in is, oh, I've been trying to find, like, I think it's called body butter, hashtag body butter. You know, it's gonna pop up. I really hope they help. I'm trying to find different ways to approach target audience, because I know a lot of people say target audience, target audience, target audience. But y'all, this is so important, because if you're just wanting your videos to hit the For You page, that's a good thing. But also, you really want people to find you through your hashtag, because these people are searching for you. Searching for this hashtag, meaning they're trying to find this specific thing, and that is what you want. Another thing is, you're too worried about followers. Followers do not equal sales. It's actually reverse. Sales equal more followers. Don't get so hyped up of growing 10K followers, 1,000 followers, 1,500 followers, because you're not trying to be an influencer, you know, like, you aren't trying to get a whole bunch of followers. You're trying to get sales. And honestly, I only have like 500 Instagram followers, but I still get sales, baby. And I say that to say, like, it's really not about how many followers you have. It's about the sales. Like, you wanting people to see your products and things like that. Every post that I do on Instagram, it always reaches the explore page. This is a great thing because new people are seeing what I have every day. New people are seeing my posts every day. And that right there, honey, that's enough for me. I can go in through my analytics and see, oh, these how many people ran across this post from hashtags or things like that. And that is what excites me. I'm not worried about, oh, how many people follow me from this post or things like that, because that doesn't matter. Just because somebody's following you doesn't mean that they're going to buy your products, unfortunately. You know, some people only follow you maybe for inspiration, maybe for motivation, maybe just for you to follow them back. Yes, that is a real thing. People will follow you just so that way you can follow them back and then they unfollow you. So don't get too worried about trying to gain a whole bunch of followers. You're just focused on sales. Show people why your products are the best. Show people why they need your products. Show people the benefit of your products. And this is what's gonna get you sales. Finally, the last reason, and this is the biggest reason why you're probably not getting sales. You're not giving people a reason to buy your product. They don't see anything special about your products. They just see another, you know, body butter in a jar, and that's it. Give them a reason to want to buy your products. Whether dang, this packaging is really nice. Wow, the benefits from her products are different than anybody else's. The first time they buy them, of course they're gonna try it out, but they're gonna buy it again because your products are that good. They're gonna love them, and it's gonna turn into, oh yeah, I was just trying it out, but now I'm addicted to it. You really want people to love your products. Give them a reason to buy your products. Think about your favorite food place. Why is it your favorite food place compared to any other place? Think about your favorite nail shop. Why do you like to go there instead of going to any other place? Or your hairstylist. Why do you like to go to her instead of any other hairstylist? That is what I'm talking about. Figure out a reason. Give them a reason to shop with you specifically. You know, show them why you're different. And that is all for this video. I hope this video helps you out a lot. And after seeing this video, I hope you use these notes and these tips to be able to get sales, because you're gonna get sales with my notes, girl. You're gonna get sales with my tips and tricks. You know that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to check out my description box below. I have some gems in there too, some happiness in that description box. I'm going to see y'all next time, next week at the same time with a different video. Bye.